Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to the Glam Grit. I'm your host, and if you are new here, hi. So glad you are joining me. Today, we are creating a super easy party makeup look at home. No salon needed, just simple steps to get that glam glow. Whether it is a birthday, wedding, or girls' night out, this look's got you covered. And the best part, you don't need pro skills to pull this off. It is quick, beginner friendly, and will have you feeling fabulous in minutes. No matter your vibe, bold, soft, or somewhere in between, this look is totally customizable. So, go grab your favorite products, sit back, and let's get ready together. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss a glow up moment. Let's do this. So, I'm supposed to have flawless skin and a perfect makeup routine? Yeah, that's not happening. But here's how I fake it with 4 easy steps. Step 1. Apply a primer to create a smooth canvas. Think of it as the foundation for your foundation. No one wants a bumpy ride. Step 2. Time for foundation. Use a beauty sponge for that airbrushed look. Blend it out like you are painting a masterpiece, not a wall. Step 3. Concealer to the rescue for those pesky blemishes and dark circles. Dab it on and blend, blend, blend like your life depends on it. Final step. Set it all with powder to lock in that flawless finish. So, you want to master your brows, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara? Let me show you how to elevate your eye game in just a few steps. Step 1. Start with your brows. Shape them to frame your face perfectly. Next up, eyeshadow. Blend those colors like a pro for that smoky effect. Step 3. Eyeliner. Get that wing sharp enough to fly. Finally, mascara. Lengthen and volumize for those fluttery lashes. And just like that, you are ready to slay the day. So, you want to master contour, blush, and highlighter? Let me show you how to glow like a pro in just 3 steps. Step 1. Start with a clean canvas, your face. Apply contour to define those cheekbones, but blend, blend, blend. Step 2. Add blush to the apples of your cheeks for that fresh look. Smile while you apply. It makes everything easier. Final step. Highlight the high points of your face for that radiant finish. Look at that glow. Who needs filters? Try it out and shine bright, my friends. So, you want to master the art of lip makeup? Let me show you how to apply lip liner, lipstick, and setting spray in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Start with a lip liner to define your lips. It's all about that perfect shape. Remember, we are outlining, not drawing a masterpiece. Step 2. Apply your favorite lipstick or gloss for that pop of color. Make sure to fill in those corners for a flawless finish. Final step. Set it all with a setting spray to keep your look fresh all day. And there you have it, luscious lips that last. I am about to share 10 tips for party makeup you can do at home. Tip number 1. Start with a clean moisturized face for a flawless face. Tip number 2. Use a primer to keep your makeup in place all night. Tip number 3. Choose a bold eyeshadow to make your eyes pop. Tip number 4. Don't forget to highlight your cheekbones for that glow. Tip number 5. A setting spray is a must for long-lasting wear. Tip number 6. Opt for waterproof mascara to avoid smudging. Tip number 7. Use a lip stain for a kiss-proof pout. Tip number 8. Add some shimmer to your eyelids for extra sparkle. Tip number 9. Blend, blend, blend for a seamless look. Tip number 10. Finish with a touch of confidence. If you love this look, give it a thumbs up. Drop your favorite party lipstick in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty hacks and tutorials. Stay glowing and party ready. See you in the next video. And hey, tag me if you recreate this look. I would love to see your version. Don't forget, confidence is your best accessory. Wear it proudly.